In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Shopify to manage specific orders effectively. Whether you're just starting or looking to refine your skills, this guide will walk you through the foundational steps needed to access and manage orders within your Shopify store. To begin, make sure you're at your computer and logged into your Shopify account. If you're not familiar yet, Shopify is a powerful e-commerce platform that enables you to sell anything from clothing to software. Once logged in, direct your attention to the home page of your shop. You might see a dashboard filled with information, including sales, site visits, and customer interactions. Here, you will be managing the lifeblood of your business, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with this interface. Next, move towards the sidebar menu and find the Orders section. Click on Orders, and you'll be taken to a new page. Here, you'll observe a list of customer orders, both past and present. For those who haven't seen this yet, each order provides a snapshot of what's been purchased, who bought it, and its current status. It's a critical part of keeping tabs on how your store is performing. In your list of orders, locate a specific entry under the customer column where it may say, No Customer. This might look a bit strange at first, but don't worry. Click directly on No Customer. This will take you into a detailed order view where you can delve into everything you need to know about this order. You'll see product details, the quantities involved, and even billing information. This is a powerful feature that allows you to quickly gauge what's happening with the order. Continuing from here, you should now find an entry within your draft orders that reads June 25th, 2025 at 4:22 p.m. Go ahead and click on this. What you're doing here is accessing another layer of information for a draft order. Draft orders in Shopify serve as a preliminary stage where you can take the information and decide on the next steps, be it editing the order, converting it into a final order, or even deleting it if it's no longer needed. By walking through these initial steps, you're not only accessing individual customer orders, but learning how to interpret and manage the detailed information for better business decision-making. Going through these processes regularly will keep your store organized and allow for a smoother operation, making this an essential skill set for any Shopify store owner. Make sure that after completing these steps, you explore additional features within the order section. Review customer notes, track shipments, or even issue refunds if necessary. These capabilities truly transform Shopify into a full-service e-commerce tool, ready to meet your business needs at every step along the way. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated key features within your Shopify order management system. Keep practicing, and soon navigating through different orders will become second nature. Thank you for following along, and until next time, keep thriving and happy selling.